What up, everybody? It's your favorite local, Nico Mega. Um, Continuation of the 66 Vert project. I'm taking the one of the tires that was leaking air on me. I've taken it to tire shops, and they swear up and down that it doesn't leak. However, every time it sits in the back of my truck for a couple days, it's flat. Twilight Zone, I guess. I must be completely wrong. So I'm on the way again. I'm cruising in Elvis, the Eldo, 70, to the tire shop down the street from my house, which I should have gone to before because they actually try to find the leak. So I'm hitting that up now, and I'm going to try to get this tire repaired, and hopefully I'll be able to do that. So just carrying on here, trying to get this car out of this yard. This lady keeps holding me up when I'm trying to get it, so I got to just get it out of this yard already so I can start working on the bond on the title. I got to get a VIN inspection for it, so we'll see. We're here at the tire shop now, cruising by. These guys, they've been pretty good to me so far, but they are the guys that kind of screwed up my white wall, so I've been hesitant to come over here. Oops, scraping. I've been hesitant to come over here to have them work on it, but we'll get it figured out. These guys will take care of me, I guarantee it. Remote trunk works on the Eldo. Yes, this is Elvis. I haven't done too much of the interior yet. The seats are great. Headliner's great. It's in really good shape. Just need a $400 windshield. What's this guy doing? Oh, I got some locals checking the car out. Let's see the nonsense they get into with us, huh? Some of the boys from the hood. Thanks, man. It's 70. Yeah, 70 Eldorado. Thank you. 500. Yeah. Oh. Let's check these guys out. ¿Qué ole? Oh, ¿cómo se va?
Muy bien, feliz año.
Sí, igualmente. ¿Me andan pasando bien? Sí.
Gracias a Dios, bien. ¿Y usted cómo le va?
No, muy bien, pues
¿Qué
desponchado
necesita?
como siempre. Pues,
Bueno.
¿sabes qué? Ya tengo 2 talleres que traigo y me aseguran que no se tira aire. Pero cada vez que la pongo en mi troca se pierde aire. So.
Bueno, vamos a chequearlo, a ver qué es lo que tiene, ¿ok?
Ya. Ya sé que ustedes pueden encontrarlo, que no quieren trabajar en ella. Nomás querían venderme nuevas. Yeah, they'll find it for me here. Hardest working ladies I've ever met in my life. ¿Ah?
Los holidays ahora, el año nuevo, la Navidad.
No, todo bien. Fuimos a Ojinaga por el año nuevo a pasar con mis cuñadas y mi suegra y todo. Y pues pasamos bien.
Qué suave.
Ya, tranquilo, ya duramos como 2 semanas ahí.
Oye, tu esposa qué guapa es. Está
Oh,
joven.
es demasiado bonita esa.
Está feliz.
La conocí cuando tuvimos 16 y pues la traje para acá después de 10 años o algo así. Me dijeron que necesitaba lentes y pues me preocupé porque dije, ahora me va a conocer cómo me veo, si va a saber.
A ver si te sí, sí.
Dijeron que ella estaba ciega y que necesitaba lentes y dije, ya estoy en peligro ahora. Me preocupé mucho. All right, continuing on. Got the tire fixed. It ended up being the valve stem. Go figure. After I told the guys like 7 times it was the valve stem, but whatevs. So we're gonna get headed off here. Headed off to get this tire on the wheel. I gotta get the truck, pick up easy, and here's a little booty shot of the 70. Oh, sexiness. Oh, love it. I haven't really showed Elvis too much. I'm gonna do an expo on it. I'll do a full video on it, but a little shot of Elvis, the Eldo. So let's roll. I'm gonna go pick up my truck from his house and get this car out of the yard. Oh, people are freaking out back there. Yeah, if you're looking at it like, wow, that's clean. It's clean. Just paint. It needs paint, like all of them. They all need paint. 30 pack in a weekend, man. Make it happen, right? Oh, those 2 guys when I rolled up, digging it, huh? Digging the Eldo. 454. I asked him, you got a 454 in that, homie? Boy raised his eyebrows when I said 500, bro. Big boy. Check out the hood. Need a windshield. If anybody has a windshield for a 70 Eldorado, I would love one. Yes, a 67 or 68 would fit, and I would consider it. However, they don't. 67, 68, and 69 would fit. However, they don't have the built-in antenna. I need a built-in antenna in the windshield for my radio that doesn't work, that I don't use. But I would like to keep as many original parts as possible. I guess I'd consider a windshield without one, because I'm not going to use this radio at all. That'd be cool to have it work, but ooh, scraping low. Using low status roll. All low, eh? Squeaky. I also need window insulation. So that's what the squeaky is. Oops. Total's gonna get T-boned for some reason. Ah! A lot of accidents in this neighborhood through stop signs. Somebody just died in a 25-mile-an-hour speed limit zone. Some other jerk was doing 50 or something through the stop sign, just decided not to stop, slammed into, T-boned a car, and they both ended up in a telephone pole, tore down the telephone pole, all the power wires. They had crime scene tape all over the place. God knows what really happened. It's wild. Looks like they already have a pole up, though. I just passed by the park. But yeah, that was crazy. So please stop at stop signs. It's not cool to blow through them. You die. People die. For real. Somebody just died. There's the casa. Park the Eldo. I think I'm going to park the Vert on the side of the road up here. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know how this is going to work. But it's going to. I'll tell you that much. All right, time to get the troca.